Milabee and welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about round off drills. So without further ado, let's go get into it. The first drill that we're going to talk about is round off of a panel mat or off of an elevated flat mat. I do have nuggets. These nuggets are really great because it also teaches the athlete to squeeze, but you want to start your athlete on top of the panel mat or the nugget. You want them to put their hands on the edge, kick up and over and snapping down. Because this mat is elevated, it is going to provide and give your athlete a chance to snap their feet down at the end of the mat. The next drill is a handstand step-in. I absolutely love this drill because it teaches the athlete to stand up with a quick chest. Round offs, you want to have a fast chest on your way of snapping up. So handstand step-ins, instead of landing in a lunge, you will land with both feet. The next drill that I like to teach is a cartwheel step-in. This is major for round offs. However, a cartwheel step-in is going to reinforce a fast chest and remind the athlete to squeeze when they land. And my last drill is a round off landing in a push-up position on a high mat. Once again, I'm using my nugget because my nugget is very soft, but if you have a crash mat or a padded mat, I'll definitely put this mat down for the athlete's toes. By having the athlete land into a push-up position, it is reinforcing that athlete to hit the handstand position at the top, turn their hips, and keep their legs squeezing together on the way down. These are my 4 round off drills. So with that being said, you're ready to do like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video.